Welcome to Easy Leads and Cash. This system was designed to help you promote 3 newbie-friendly income opportunities and build a profitable email list, just like we are doing. Check out some of the Warrior Plus commissions we've been receiving. Some of our members are generating 5 to 20 leads a day and earning hundreds of dollars each week from home, and that is why we call it Easy Leads and Cash. Let's dive in. The Easy Leads and Cash system promotes 3 amazing income opportunities: the IM Income System, Commission Upgrade, and the Instant Profits Club. Each system is fully automated, so you don't have to worry about delivering products, providing customer support, or talking to anyone. Every time you make a sale, your commissions are deposited into your Warrior Plus account. You can get paid via PayPal, Stripe, Payoneer, bank, or check. Let's take a closer look at the IM Income System, and then we'll explore Commission Upgrade and the Instant Profits Club. The IM Income System is a beginner-friendly $10 business that pays you 100% commissions, ranging from $9.95 to $147 per sale into your Warrior Plus account. It's super easy to set up, and just like Commission Upgrade and Instant Profits Club, if you join, you'll be instantly approved to promote the affiliate program. We have had 3-figure paydays thanks to the IM Income System. Click the link and join the IM Income System today. Now, let's talk about our second and third income streams: Commission Upgrade and the Instant Profits Club. Both are free to join. As a free member, you can earn 50% commissions without spending a dime. Although you can start for free, if you upgrade to Pro for just $17 one time, you can earn $17 commissions every time someone else upgrades to Pro through your affiliate link. I hope you love the idea of earning $17 commissions over and over again, but brace yourself because I'm about to show you how to make $147 per sale while earning 100% commissions on every product sold. You see, the IM Income System, Commission Upgrade, and Instant Profits Club have an upgrade called Reseller. By purchasing a reseller's license for a one-time fee of $147, you get 100% commissions on every product sold in the sales funnel. This means you earn 100% commissions on everything, and you'll also earn $147 every time one of your customers becomes a reseller too. To learn more, simply join the IM Income System, Commission Upgrade, or the Instant Profits Club. Then log into your back office and click the tab that says Upgrades. After that, you'll be shown how you can earn up to $250 from one customer. For now, I have even more good news for you. Thanks to the IM Income System, Commission Upgrade, and the Instant Profits Club, anyone can join all 3 systems and pay less than $10. After all, Commission Upgrade and IPC are both free to join. This simple $10 Easy Leads and Cash sales funnel can be your 24-hour cash machine. The more you put in, the more money you can make. After you purchase any one of the systems, you'll get instant access to tons of bonuses, including the Easy Leads and Cash sales funnel, follow-up email campaigns, plus a daily marketing routine to help you generate leads and sales. Most importantly, the follow-up email campaigns can be customized to promote your favorite traffic sources and your favorite affiliate programs that pay you residual income. This is perfect for anyone that is looking for a simple way to make money from home. Picture yourself having a $47 day or even a $250 day. With us, it's possible. To get your copy, please join the person who shared this amazing opportunity with you, then upgrade so that you can start earning 100% commissions right away. Before you know it, you'll be earning 100% commissions and having 3-figure paydays just like we are. I hope you can see that this is one of the most lucrative $10 income systems on the internet. Generating leads and earning commissions is about to get a whole lot easier for you. To your success, see you on the inside.